Be the difference at Elizabeth City State University and discover your strength, ignite your passion, and prepare to make a difference in the world. Be a teacher, be a pilot, be an entrepreneur, be a scientist, be the difference at ECSU. Whether you want to educate the next generation of students, fly the blue skies, own your own business, or be a scientist, you can discover your passion at ECSU. From aviation, education, and business to the arts, homeland security, and technology, ECSU prepares students to compete in the global workforce. You can conquer your dreams at ECSU with over 30 undergraduate and graduate degree programs, including both online degree options and face-to-face course instruction. Elizabeth City State University is a proud NC Promise campus, which means tuition is only $500 per semester for in-state students and $2,500 per semester for out-of-state students. As the most affordable public university in the University of North Carolina system, you can be the difference at ECSU with an affordable, high-quality education. ECSU believes everyone should have access to higher education and will work with you to provide resources to help you obtain your degree. Such resources include federal and state grants, state and institutional scholarships, employment opportunities, and student loans. Students looking for a quality, affordable education in a nurturing, supportive environment will find it at ECSU. At ECSU, size does matter, and ECSU's small size equates to small classes and one-on-one attention from professors. Students know their classmates, their professors, and they know that the ECSU faculty and staff are committed to their academic success. At Elizabeth City State University, students come to discover their passion and leave to conquer their dreams. Whatever your passion is, you can be the difference at ECSU. Be the difference. Be a mighty Viking.